And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 122. Let me show you how you can use the brush to create a vignette. Got our image here on a white background. Create an empty layer, let me call that vignette. If we activate the brush tool, we need to find a good size. So 50 is way too small, but we definitely need this brush right here that feathers out with a hardness of 0. Then adjust the size a little bit. Depends on your canvas size, 3000 is a little bit too big here for me. 2000 is better, but I go down to 1500. Then go to the center left click, and you can see you're going to paint this feathering out circle. And now we just need to find a way to inverse that, and we have our vignette. We press Ctrl Z. Then I activate the paint bucket tool, black is my foreground color. And I left click, so our empty layer is now black. Now I add a layer mask to this layer, and I make sure that I'm on the layer mask. So this is active in the layers menu. I activate the brush tool again, and I'm going to use black as a foreground color. Go to the center, left click, and there you go. So we've painted this black circle on the layer mask, and this created this effect. We can now use the opacity right here to adjust the strength. So if we go down, the vignette vanishes. If we go up, it's going to get more intense. Let me go to around 30 to 40%. That should be good. And this is how you can use the brush to create a vignette in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.